For the past 40 years, Redwood Plastics has been solving maintenance problems for some of North America's largest corporations. Redwood's product experts work closely with client engineering teams, manufacturing plant managers, fabricators, and maintenance staff to understand where part life can be extended, safety can be improved, efficiency can be gained, or maintenance costs can be decreased. Many materials age and wear quickly. Bronze, brass, rubber, and steel are not always the most optimal material for a given application, which can affect efficiency in production and damage costly machinery. Using Redco plastic products will improve part longevity and performance with little initial cost. Advances in plastic technology have enabled Redwood's customers in the sawmill industry to reduce maintenance, increase production, and save money by using the right plastic applications as a substitute for other materials. The range of applications for plastics in the sawmill industry is endless, and it includes chain channel chain inserts, sharp chain, conveyor flights, organ bends, dissipator channel, dead plate bumpers, bearings, hanger bearings, bearing inserts, sprockets, sheaves, wear plates, diverter gates. Redwood Plastics also has many sorter parts in stock, such as hooks, lugs, diverter arms, bin slides, and wear strips, as well as trimmer lugs, scanner lugs, lug loader wheels, hold-down wheels, and tipple gates. Plastics are an extraordinary material that are not to be overlooked in industrial applications. They contain remarkable properties such as self-lubrication, impact resistance, corrosion resistance, and the ability to withstand temperature ranges between -80 and 400 degrees, making them ideal for a variety of industries and applications. Our product experts have the experience to know the optimal material for your application to ensure you'll have the best possible performance and longevity. We also provide custom services for molding, machining, and fabricating a wide range of high-quality custom components. Increase your production and your profits. Contact us today.